How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 57 Bel Air two-door hardtop. It's a factory black car. Been all redone. Super nice car, guys. It's all original panels. You can see the bumpers. Everything's been re-chromed. It's got the accessory bumper guards in the front and rear. Real clean car, nice and straight down the sides. I tell you, tough looking car. It's got the red and black interior, all factory type. Just really nice. All the trim on the car, very nice. All the stainless. You can see the rear bumper, really nice. Been all re-chromed. These are the original bumpers, been re-chromed, not reproduction. This is a factory V8 car. Paint on the car is super nice. Nice slick paint. It's got a 64 Corvette 327 365 horse motor. The solid lift cam's been replaced with a hydraulic cam. Got a nice aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. It's backed up with a 4-speed. Been updated with power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Tell you, the car just drives and rides beautifully. It's ready to get in it, cruise it, go to your shows. You see how nice and clean everything is? Tell you, I really like the red and black interior in this car. Super nice. Been nicely outfitted with a AM/FM stereo with the iPod connector. See, the headliner's really nice, tight, no wrinkles. Also been updated with front and rear seat belts. Jams look good. Car also has all new glass in it. It's got the smoked side glass. Got your spare, your jack. Also has a CD changer, nicely mounted there in the trunk. Very nice car, very nice. I tell you, this 57 in the black with the red and black interior is just tough looking. It's got a set of 20-inch American Racings in the rear. It's got 18s up front. All the flippers on the top work like they're supposed to. A lot of these cars, they don't. Yeah, nice trio of gauges there under the dash. It's got your factory optional Kleenex dispenser there under the dash. Just a super nice, clean car, guys. Go ahead and fire it up. Looks like my guy's trying to run me over there. Forgot to push the clutch in. Been all updated with electric wipers, 2-speed. Just a super nice car. You see the flippers on the doors when you close them, close down like they're supposed to. Sounds real good out the exhaust. All the lights work. Just a super nice car. Super, super nice. Get in, drive it, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.